This is your opportunity to learn about Assure for Life. It is not an insurance policy. Therefore, Assure does not provide money. It renders a service, accompanying the families when facing death of a loved one, providing them with peace of mind, protection, and all the established benefits that are in the membership. Why Assure for Life? Well, we are part of Grupo Plenitude, a company with over 70 years of experience, with more than 2,500 organizations that are our clients all throughout the United States, Latin America, and the Caribbean. We provide more than 10,000 funeral service each and every single year, all throughout our coverage area, promising high quality services and standards. While our coverage area includes the United States, Latin America, and the Caribbean, our headquarters are in Colombia since 1950, Venezuela 1994, Costa Rica since 2001, Mexico since 2006, and the United States 2007, and of course Panama since 2009. Our principal benefits include basic funeral costs within the coverage area, travel expenses for the transportation of the deceased to the country of origin or to any territory within the United States, round-trip air ticket exclusively for the plan holder in order to attend the funeral of his or her loved one. Members aged 65 or younger can be included regardless of blood relation to the plan holder. And of course, parents or partners of the plan holder up to 80 years old of age can be added at the time of enrollment, and coverage won't expire as long as the membership is paid. A maximum of 2 people can be added. When sharing or selling the plan, it is very important to not omit the following. You must keep in mind, the funeral assistance plan offers a waiting period of 3 business days after enrollment for accidental, violent, or death by suicide after the first payment has been made. For death of natural causes, the membership waiting period is 180 calendar days after enrollment, of course, after the first payment has been made. For non-payment of the membership after 3 consecutive months, the membership will be terminated. At the time of enrollment, the holder and its members must not be terminally ill, have a diagnosis of cancer, be on dialysis, or have a brain tumor. The funeral assistance plan offers 3 options, but only delivers one of them at the time of requesting the service. At the time the family calls our funeral emergency line, they're going to be asked for the following: who passed away, the contract number, where will they need the service, here in the U.S., or transport of the deceased to another country in our coverage area, or do they need service in Latin America or the Caribbean? Our 3 options are national, return, and roots. Now let's discuss our national option. The national plan includes transportation within the United States. For example, if the deceased is in Montana and needs to go to Florida or Puerto Rico or anywhere in the United States, we would do the transportation. This option also includes all basic funeral expenses in the United States. Let's see what those expenses are. Transport of the deceased to the local funeral provider, preparation of the deceased, basic viewing time, casket for the viewing, funeral director expenses, funeral guest book, along with prayer cards, and of course, a death certificate. It also includes cremation and the urn for ashes, as well as a standard casket and hearse to the cemetery. It does not include the expenses at the cemetery. Additionally, it includes a round-trip ticket exclusively for the plan holder in order to attend the funeral for his or her loved one. Now let's discuss our return option. It includes sending and receiving of the deceased to their country of origin in the coverage area. Additionally, it includes all basic funeral expenses within the country of origin. Also, it includes a round-trip air ticket exclusively for the plan holder in order to attend the funeral of his or her loved one. Folks, you're doing fantastic. Now, let's move forward to our roots option. It includes all basic funeral expenses within Latin America and the Caribbean. It also has the cremation or burial, which is limited monetary amount depending on local customs and culture. Just like the other two options, this option also includes a round-trip air ticket exclusively for the plan holder in order to attend the funeral for his or her loved one. Ladies and gentlemen, dreamers, builders, leaders, new folks, beginners, seniors, this is your pathway to success. This is your journey. So I'm going to encourage you, take a look at our full compensation structure. Embrace it as it is your pathway to success. Thank you.